Hello everyone, and today I've come to just take you through the My Airtel app. It was brought in place to you know to make work easy, the transactions easy for the customers. Remember, the codes take a long time. When you're doing a transaction using the code, it's just bureaucratic. Menus keep on popping up, and it's really straining for customers. As you see here, if you want to check out the airtime balance, is over here. The voice balance over here, and data balance is just showed up on the screen, easy to see. Then if you want to buy for yourself airtime, it's also easy. Or you want to buy airtime for somebody else, very easy. As long as if you want to buy airtime for somebody else, it's also easy. Just tap over here and tap on the X and move that number. Then put in the number that you're gonna buy for airtime. Let's say this one. I'm gonna buy for this one. The process has been made, so they'll put up the name easily, and then you just continue the process. After putting up the name, then put in the airtime, and you'll be good to go. So when you turn back this side, for the payment of bills is just awesome. The other time it was just hectic. Move on again. Money pops up, and it's so bureaucratic. But with this time round, it has been made easy for customers to really carry out their transactions, and has a couple of methods of payment. So when you get over here, let's say we're gonna buy electricity. You tap on the electricity and buy Yaka. Then we put in our Yaka meter number. Then tap next. Eventually we put in the amount that we're gonna buy our Yaka. Let's say 20k. Then tap that tick button. But eventually the amount isn't enough, so the transaction, we can't complete it. But you see, the process is just easy for the customers. Then if you were to go back this side, buying bundles is just awesome. You come here, if you're gonna buy for yourself, now this is my number. The process is still loading a little bit, so you tap next and get into the data bundles. So the best offers are over here. You check out each and every bundle. You don't just buy, so you get to know the validity of the bundle. What are you gonna get from the bundle? So you don't just buy. Like, to buy a bundle, you just first get to know the validity and how big is the bundle. So it's just easy. You just looking at the bundle and just buy immediately. Just not like the other time, put in the code, then you don't know. It was not really nice, but just look at the interface, just nice. The chillax bundles over here, easy to reach out. As you see, the validity is unlimited. So when you get over here, things just flow. Then also they also have the voice bundles. People who not speak for a long time, you want to get yourself bundles. They have all kinds of bundles. You come over here and get yourself the voice bundles. Then even those for the SMSs when you're good at texting over here. Then the international data roaming bundles, they're also being put in place over here. So everything is over here. Even the combo offers a combination of MBs and minutes are also here. You can come and enjoy yourself with the My Airtel app.